In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make content calendar in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized calendar that maps out your content schedule all inside ClickUp. Start by heading to ClickUp Home on the left side of your screen. From there, open Spaces. This is where your workspace lives, and it's the best place to create the structure for your content plan. Look for the plus icon and choose to add a new item. When the menu appears, select Folder. Folders are perfect for grouping related lists together, and a content calendar fits neatly into this structure. Give your folder a clear, memorable name so your team knows exactly what it's for. Adding a short description helps too. Think of it as a quick reminder of what goes in here, like blog posts, social content, or video releases. Before you create it, open the settings for the folder. If you're drafting plans or working with a small group, toggle the option to make it private so only the right people can see it. When that looks good, click Create to confirm. Open your new content plan folder. Inside, click the plus icon again and choose List. Lists are where your tasks will live, so name this list to reflect your calendar, for example, editorial calendar or content pipeline, whatever best matches your workflow. Then click Create. With your list ready, it's time to visualize it as a calendar. Open the View options and select Calendar. Calendar View shows tasks by their due dates, which is exactly what you want for planning content across days and weeks. This is why assigning due dates is key. ClickUp uses them to place tasks on the calendar grid. Now let's add your first content item. Click Add Task on the calendar. Type a clear descriptive task title like blog post draft or Instagram carousel. Next, set when it's due. Click Due Date and choose a specific date on the picker, or use the quick choices like today, tomorrow, or later if you're planning at a higher level. Pick what fits your schedule and your production pace. When you're ready, click Create Task. Your task will appear directly on the calendar on its due date, giving you a visual timeline of what's coming up. Repeat this process to add more content items until your calendar reflects your plan for the week or month. And that's it. You created a dedicated folder, set the right privacy, added a focused list, switched to calendar view, and added tasks with due dates. Follow this flow each time you plan content, and your ClickUp calendar will keep your publishing schedule clear, consistent, and on track.